Hello, my name is Arum Liani. I'm from the study program of Science Education, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Malang State University.
Do you know what is sound resonance? Sound resonance is the event that an object vibrates because there are other objects that frequency or multiple integers form that frequency.
The condition for sound resonance include: the first is sound source. The sound is a vibration in the air. All objects that vibrate will certainly make a sound. The second is intermediary medium. This medium or integrated substance can consist of liquid, solid, gas, so sound waves can propagate, for example, in the air, cold, or air. And the third is other objects. Other objects are objects that also vibrate due to other objects. The fourth is the frequency of the sound. The frequency of the sound source is the same as the natural frequency of objects that have the same frequency. The fourth is guitar pick. The strings that are picked will vibrate and result in sound in the guitar column, meaning that the vibrational frequency produced by the guitar string is the same as the natural frequency of air in the guitar or column.
Contohnya.
The second is Morse drum. The Morse drum beating is produced by a layer of coil head. The Morse drum vibrates with the same frequency as the frequency of air inside the Morse drum. Sound resonance can be calculated by the equation. The speed of sound is equal to the wavelength times sound frequency.
Okay, that's a little explanation of the sound resonance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.